Right, it's just spinning, yeah. Oh, bollocks. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next videos that come up. Right, what I've got for you today is I'm on a door where another company called me up because a locksmith was struggling to get through some flat doors. A builder had done some work there and I don't know, they must have had some sort of altercation. The builder locked up the flats and went off with the keys. There are spare sets inside, but the locks are going to be changed. So the picks I'm using today are going to be the Huck picks. These picks can be bought from ALS Tools. The reason why I'm using it is because it has a little sidebar jiggler in there, which makes it very convenient for when you pick these Yale Platinums. You just give a little wiggle and it opens up. This was the first flat I did, which took much longer than anticipated. It took me about 25 minutes roughly, because I kept on picking the cylinder, and every time I picked the cylinder I couldn't get the cam to engage the thumb turn, so I kept on relocking it and having to pick it again and relock it and pick it again. Very frustrating. There's me with my gammy hand. So I did get a bit of fatigue in it while I was picking, but I got there in the end. So I speed up the video because it took a very long time. So if you like to just sit back, watch and enjoy, and hopefully you'll be able to get something back from watching me pick this lock open. Okay, cheers. See you soon. Right, it's just spinning, yeah. Oh, bollocks.
Right, so what's inside is that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what locks it out here. You've got to get that right straight down the middle to turn it. So let me try it again. That's it. Lovely.